Alright, good morning, good afternoon, and good evening to you. Today I received my mystery tackle box. We're the 29th of April, which is a little bit late for the April box, but what can we do? So what do we have in here this month? Okay, it's all mixed up. So we're going to start with the Venom Worms. 6-pack. Looks pretty cool. There's twister tails at the end. They're brown. They'll probably work out pretty nice. Let's see on here. The Venom Worms go for $309. Then we have some publicity. We have a nice assortment of Catchco Pro Series soft plastics, some type of worm hybrid, which goes for $349. Colors are pretty cool. The length is pretty cool. Doesn't say how much there's in here. It's 1, 2, 3, probably 6 again. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, maybe 8. Cool. Cool. Funny thing, the Booyah jig here with rattles in it. I just ordered one off Cabela's last week, so now I have two. It's a 3/4 ounce. Nice colors, green, watermelon, red. And now we have the Montero Strike Pro that goes for $11.96. Wow, I wouldn't pay $11.96 for that, that's for sure. But still, the colors aren't bad. Nice rattles. Swim depth 0 to 2 feet, so it's almost a top water. That'll be good later in the summer, I guess. They say it's the secret weapon. I sure hope so. I'll discover it fast enough. Ultimate casting. Alright. And then we have two big mouth, 2/0 size hooks by Mustad. Yeah, hooks are always useful. Cool hooks. Bumper sticker that says fish on. And the Dibble magazine, or Bible. So if we listen to this card, it's about $24 retail, which isn't bad, I guess. So quick recap, we got the Montero Strike Pro that goes for $11.96. Swim depth 0 to 2 feet. Nice rattles. Then we have the Flicker Worm by Catchco, 8 pieces. Not bad at all, goes for $349. Reasonable. The Venom Slim 6 Worm, which looks pretty salty. Pretty much my favorite in this box. With the jig. The green and watermelon red jig by Booyah. Boo Jig. Pretty cool because at least the rattles they can move, so it's easier to put a trailer on there. Nice long hair. And finally the 2-piece 2/0 big mouth hooks by Mustad.
The Dibble magazine and the bumper sticker.
On that, see you later. Fish on. Yeah, green with red.